Hey guys, I'm going to show you the full tool storage organization and tool storage and organization. Here it is. Yep, and my trim tool kit I bought off Amazon and the bit set. And then this drawer, which is my wrenches, my adjustable, and then what was the other one? And the other just and then my sockets, extensions, ratchets, my 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter, and my drive tools. And then my final drawer which is not tool related. Well, it's one thing tool related, and then everything else is like safety related and a bunch of other things. Yep, and my saw and headlamp and safety gear and whatnot. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts. Keep down the comment tab until you do make speech to get notified when I post. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.